Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. We are at the weekend already. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means that we have another review. Let's find out what is in the bag. Let me get it out of its bag here. Alright, we have two stamped cross-stitch kits, and this comes from the NewCraftDay store, and they're both Joy Sundays. So we'll start with the one on top. It is a 40 by 27, and before I start, if NewCraftDay has any specials or any discount codes, or if I have a discount code, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So yeah, let's find out what's in this beautiful Joy Sunday bag. Just love their bags. They're practically indestructible, I'm telling you, but they are not waterproof. I'll tell you why. I'll show you why here in a minute. Because they have a hole at the bottom so that air can circulate, if I can just articulate, around the canvas. So yeah. So don't think that they're waterproof. They are not. So we have this one. It's called Goldfish 2, 40 by 27, 14 count. I just thought this was a cute little kit. And it's not very big. It's like wider, and it's a partial. A little bit wider than it is up and down. But yeah, I just thought it was cute. For $7.27, you can't go bad, right? It is 174 wide by 109 high. So let's see. Oh, colors are right here. Now it has two sets of numbers. The top set is the paper pattern. The bottom set is the canvas. We have a total of 43 colors. There's no back stitching in this. So it's just straight cross stitch, no half stitch, French knots, back stitching, none of that. Just straight cross stitch. So we have 310 black. We have no 823, no 939, no 3371, and we're using B5200 for the white. It doesn't even have that charcoal color in it, you know, that what was that, 3799 I want to say. But nice big huge pattern, very easy to see all the symbols and the printing. It's just got a little strip on this side for their tails and a little bit of that greenery. But yeah, I just thought this was a nice cute simple kit. Let's take a look at all those beautiful colors. Ooh, they are bright. Oh my goodness. Whoop, if I can get it out of there, we'll have it made. It does come with 2 needles. It comes on the lovely thread cards with how much thread you get, DMC number, and then the number for the thread card. And it does have the product number that was on the front page. So look at those bright colors. We got blues and teals and greens. Kind of a, I don't know what color that is. Kind of a, I want to say a metal blue. It's not green, it's not blue. I don't know what you call it, but it just sure is gorgeous. Look at that peacock blue right there. Beautiful. Wait till you see this one. It is like bright. You're gonna have to wear sunglasses to work on this kit. So we have greens, peaches, kind of a yellow orange, I guess, kind of a darker green, kind of a dark teal, grass green, Christmas green. That's what I call that bright green. And look at those yellows. Holy cow. And oranges and pinks. Wow. Bright, vivid, beautiful, gorgeous. Something dropped. Gorgeous colors. No doubt. But yeah, look at them all together. It's like a little rainbow. No purples though. Just mainly greens, blues, and oranges. And maybe, no reds. So yeah, very pretty. A nice array of colors. So if you need a spot of sunlight or sunshine in the middle of winter, get this one out and just start stitching, because it's all straight stitch. There's no confetti, none. This would be a perfect kit for somebody that has never done cross stitch. So you can just do a color, then do another color. There's no hop, skipping, jumping. I'm just going to get rid of my scissors here. But very nice, very well printed. Now the key at the bottom is very, very, well, might help if I hold it right. Very, very small, tiny. So you might have to refer back to your paper pattern, but it does have the canvas thread symbols, so that's nice. It is serged all the way around because it is a Joy Sunday. It is 39.5 centimeters or 15.5 inches, and this way it is a little over 10.25 inches, or almost 26.5 centimeters. The actual picture is a little over 7.5 inches, or 19.5 centimeters by 31.5 centimeters, or almost 12.5 inches. But very nice. You do not do this white part that's going around here. That's why they call it a partial. But looks like a very easy stitch. And for under $10, you can't beat that. Nice, soft, smooth, thin canvas. It's lovely. I love it. So if, you're just not into, you're doing a bunch of confetti, just stop. Get that out. Just put in 2 or 3 threads, and you'll feel so much better. So much better. Now this one I really wanted to get. I hope it's everything I'm hoping for, because, it does say it's pre-printed, so that's a plus to start out with, right? This is 54 by 41, $12.39. But I thought it was beautiful, and it's probably going to have more detailing in it. You can put as much detailing into those goldfish that you want. Just go for broke. But look at that. It is London, to add to our major city collection, shall we say. We got a bus. We got Big Ben. I don't know about anything else, but it's just a nice little street scene. It's called Street View. We will be calling it London, because I'm going to have to start this. It is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'll try to hold it as still as possible, but look at all the detailing in that. Just beautiful. There's even birds in the sky. There's a little dog, a little kid, and umbrellas. Very nice. Let me turn this around. It is 252 stitches wide by 180 stitches high. And yeah, it's going to have some back stitching. So it'll be a hot moment, but I think it'll be fun to work on. Not, despite the back stitching, I don't see confetti a lot. It's rivers of color. Yeah, the whole buildings are all back stitched. Yeah. Yay! Go team! Oh my goodness. Yeah. But I mean, there's no confetti in that. That's just straight stitching. So the back stitch is really going to make this picture. I wanted to see if they had more than one. Nope. They only have the symbols on this for this paper pattern. So we have full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. Not too bad. There's no half cross stitch in any of it. It has a total of 37 colors. We have 310 black, 326, which is a brick red. We have 817, which is kind of a brickish red. It's more brighter than 326. But no 823, no 939. We have 3371, which is a brown. We have that 3799 that I was just talking about, that pewter color. And B5200 for the white. You have 4 different colors in the back stitch and 2 in your French knot. So that's not too horribly bad, but very, very well printed. Yeah, it'll be a hot moment. It'll take me forever just to get the stitching done, but it will be beautiful. I just love those double-decker buses. And then it even says, do you see it? It says London Tours on that bus. And that's all done in back stitch. You know, after you do the cross stitch behind it. That'll be very nice. I love it. Just love it. I know I'm oogling and ogling. Let's take a look at the colors. 37 of them. Does come on the same kind of a thread card with 2 needles and the product number right there. So we have browns. There's that pewter color. This looks more of like a dark charcoal though than the other pewters that I've had. Light blues, golds, kind of a bricky red, browns. Yeah, my fingers are jumping to start already. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Kind of a mauve color and a dark or a mocha. I don't know which one you would say that is. Kind of a cream colored there. That's that butter color that I always talk about, 3770. I didn't see it when I looked. There's some more pale yellow. And kind of a raspberry red color. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Purples, grays. Yeah, this will be very detailed. I mean, as far as I can see. But just beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. Yeah. Love it. Let me put that up there. Let's take a look at this canvas. It is serged all the way around. Give me just a second, guys. Alright, I am back. But very nice. It does have the product number and the name up on top, and how many stitches per stitch. But it has a nice big key that runs along the bottom. Very easy to see symbols. Here are your French knots, and then your back stitching right over in here. But they're nice and big and easy to see. I like that part. Just gorgeous. And this is also a partial. Wherever it's white here, you do not stitch that white. So, yay. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very well printed. Lots of greens in this one. I mean, as far as the printing goes. Greens and pinks, it looks like. Alright. Let me get that down there. Okay, 21¼ inches or 54 centimeters. By, if I could just get it there, 16 inches or 40½ centimeters. Actual picture size is almost 13 inches and or 33 centimeters. I'm losing my voice. Sorry about the air conditioner. It's almost 90 degrees here today. Yeah. No, I need air. So let's see. In this way, it is 46½ centimeters or 18¼ inches. So it's not too big. But yeah, I think it's going to be a dream. I wanted to show you this one part that I thought was confetti. I'm trying to roll this up, or else it's going to go bing and it'll be everywhere. Let me fold it in half. Now down over here, there's a tree right here on this corner. So that looks about as confettied as it gets in that whole thing, because everything else is pretty straightforward stitching. It'll just be gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Love it. Thank you, NewCraftDay, for these two beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous kits. Love them. We will be starting London today at 1. So join me then. NewCraftDay, thank you very much. And they do have diamond painting, cross stitch, paint by number, and they have tools and crafts for all of that. They have also beaded cross stitch, not only in the little things, but now in bigger pictures. And they have everything down by categories, so you can check out the spring or the Joy Sunday or whatever, you know, you want to look at. But always lots of choices, great prices. And like I said, if they have any specials or discount codes, either way, me or them, it'll be at the beginning of the video and in the description box below. Thank you guys for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.